Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Motorola ThinkPhone with PC. And to do this, first let's notice that the cable that comes with your Motorola is double times USB-C, and most of the PCs you get doesn't have USB-C plug. And to bypass this, get the USB to USB-C plug and it should be fine. If not, you might need to get adapter. Then connect USB-C plug to your phone, then connect USB plug to your PC. When the device is connected, you will need to select USB mode and set it to file transfer. Now we can open file browser on our PC. Then our Motorola will show in this PC. And it's right here, ThinkPhone by Motorola, and we can check internal storage and copy and paste our files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.